If you like bacon, cream cheese, and mushrooms, then this easy-to-make recipe will make your taste buds explode. Here's what you need. 2 pounds of white mushrooms, your favorite container of cream cheese. In this case, we're using herb and garlic. A small slab of butter and a pound of bacon. First, cut the bacon into strips. Add the bacon strips to a medium-heated pan, stirring occasionally until nicely cooked. Enjoy that sensational sizzle. Take your clean mushrooms and push all the stems off. Bacon shot. Add your cream cheese to a bowl along with your cooked bacon. Stir until well combined. Melt the butter in your microwave and add to a cooking pan to fully cover the surface. Scoop the bacon and cream cheese mixture into the mushrooms and place on the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then put the pan into the oven and bake your stuffed mushrooms for 20 to 25 minutes, or until cooked to your liking. Take the pan out of the oven and let your mushroom gems cool down for a few minutes before you chow down. I bet you can't eat just one. Enjoy!